and welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I am bringing you a Kroger, yes, it is an updated must-do deals video that occurs between May 11th through the 17th of 2022. This is Friday, so we are just heading right into the weekend, and we have so many awesome deals. I am bringing you freebies and money makers in this video, which I did not bring to you on the Wednesday must-do deals video because they didn't exist, or at least we didn't know about them just yet. I don't know when exactly they all popped up, but they're here now, and I cannot wait to show you all of these amazing deals. Now, if you like Kroger deals and you like free, you definitely want to make sure you're subscribed to my channel. You want to ring that notification bell and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos that I'm putting out, especially with all the mega sale things that are happening. There's things that pop up constantly, and you don't want to miss those deals that are, quick deals. So let's just jump right on into what is happening at Kroger this week and see what's going on. Okay, so I'm going to start out with an update deal on a buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale item. I don't have a lot of mega sale stuff that is going on in this particular video, but if you want to see all of the mega sale deals that are happening, go check my video out from Wednesday where I go through all of the amazing deals that are happening for the mega sale. But I do have one update for you. So let's update this and make it a moneymaker. How about that? So I was pretty satisfied with a 49-cent Chobani oat milk, but now we're looking at a 51-cent moneymaker, so I'm even more satisfied with this deal. So Chobani oat milk, the shelf-stable kind, is regularly priced $3.99. It is on sale for $3.49. It is part of the mega sale, so you want to grab this and throw 4 other things in your cart that are a part of the mega sale. So these are going to be $2.49 after that mega sale price. You do have to pay that out of pocket, so it's a little high out of pocket. However, you will get back $2 from Ibotta. It's a limit of one time, and then submit to checkout 51 for $1 back. The final cost is going to be completely free and a 51-cent money maker. This is absolutely awesome, and I want to give a big shout out to Roberta for letting me know that there was a checkout 51 for the oat milk. I gotta be honest with you, checkout 51, it's something I've had for like ever. I think I've had it for 5 or 6 years since I started couponing, but it is not something that I check regularly, and I really need to fix that and start checking that one. I always check Ibotta, I always check Fetch, but for some reason I do not check checkout 51 that often. So thank you for Roberta for making me aware of this awesome deal. All right, I told you one quick update on the mega sale. Now the rest of these are going to be just Kroger deals, meaning you don't have to buy a minimum of 5. I mean, there'll be different scenarios where you might have to buy 2 or something like that, but these are standalone deals that do not require you to buy so many participating items. So let's check out what is happening here. And yes, guys, we're going to have freebies and money makers. I know, I'm just so excited. All right, let's talk about our first freebie, the Burt's Bees toothpaste. You want to grab 2 of the kids' Burt's Bees toothpaste. These are regularly priced $3.99. We do not have a sale price, and we're still going to get these for free, which is awesome. There is a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Either load that coupon, or you can use a 4 off 2 from the P&G 5-1. Out of pocket, you're going to pay $3.98. But don't worry, Ibotta just got a brand new rebate for 2 off or 2 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times, so you get $4 back there. It's going to be free. It's actually going to be a 2-cent money maker, but basically just free after tax. You might actually have to spend like a penny or 2 on tax depending on your state. My state will require tax on toothpaste, so it'll probably actually be like a couple cents, but either way, it's free. Really excited about this awesome deal, and I've been needing some kids' toothpaste. I'm really excited that I'm going to get this for free and make some money. How about another freebie and moneymaker, the Orgain Organic Nutrition Shakes. These are the 4-count. They're regularly priced $11.99. Now, my sale price is $8.99, and that's what I pay out of pocket. We can submit to Ibotta for $5 back on 1. It is a limit of 1 time, and submit to Kroger Cashback for 5 back on 1, a limit of 1 time. Final cost is going to be free and a $1.01 moneymaker, which is awesome. But I want to say a big thank you to Jody, who brought this deal to my attention just a few hours ago. She jumped on and let me know about this. Now, in her region, the sale price is $7.99. So if your region is $7.99, you're actually going to have a $2.01 moneymaker. My region is on sale for $8.99. Still an amazing deal, still a moneymaker. I'm not going to complain, but definitely if you're in her region or a region like hers that is on sale for $7.99, you're looking at a $2 moneymaker, which is amazing. All right, an update here on the Dum Dum. So I actually had this in I think it was the updated deals video from last week, but we have a Kroger cashback now to go with this, so it's going to be a little bit better of a deal. So Dum Dums, the 10.4 ounce bags, they're regularly priced $3.29, no sale price. We have a 50-cent off one digital coupon. Load that digital, pay out of pocket $2.79. Then you can start submitting to Ibotta. We have 50 cents back from Ibotta. It's a limit of 5 times, as well as 50 cents back from Kroger Cashback, a limit of 5 times, making the final cost just $1.79, which is an awesome deal. So hopefully you can grab these suckers for such a great price here. Next, we have the L'Oreal LV shampoo and conditioner. It's regularly priced $3.49. We have 3 off 2 coupons from Save 5-1. So go check that out. Now, this deal is going to expire on the 14th. So you do not have a ton of time to grab these because of the coupon expiring. Now, I actually said that in my Must Do Deals video from Wednesday, and a few of you in the comments said, well, my store allows expired coupons up to 2 weeks, up to 6 days, things like that. So I also commented back that that's the same thing with my store. My store actually allows expired coupons as long as they scan up to 2 weeks. So, that is a possibility for you, but I can't guarantee that for all Kroger. So again, just be cautious when you use expired coupons. They may not accept them, especially if they're past 2 weeks. I wouldn't even try, but you can always try up to 2 weeks expired. Anyway, out of pocket, pay $3.98, then submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. Your final cost is going to be just $1.98 total, or 99 cents each. Awesome, awesome, awesome deal here on this. All right, this is a really great deal. Orville Redenbacher's Pop Kits. These are regularly priced $2.49. We have a 50-cent savings sale price of $1.99 each. And then we have this huge $1.50 off one digital coupon. That's going to make one of these just 49 cents, which is a really, really great deal. And it actually is showing, it says 3 count. So I'm guessing you're going to get basically 3 bags of popcorn out of this. I don't know. I've never seen the pop kit before, how to use that, but I'm really excited to grab this deal and get this popcorn for only 49 cents. Really, really awesome deal. Next, we have the Body Armor 20 ounce. Now, make sure it is the 20 ounce that are regularly priced $1.99, on sale for $1.25. It took me a while to figure this out. There's actually some that are on sale for $1.50, but it's a different size. So you want to make sure you grab the 20 ounce. There's a 75-cent off one digital coupon that is attaching to these. Final cost is going to be just 50 cents for one of these, which is a great price. I know it's only for one, but if it's something that you drink, you might as well grab it. All right, and not a terrible deal here. These Clio Snack Greek yogurt bars, you want to grab 2 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $1.99, no sale price. We have a 50-cent off one digital coupon. So you're going to pay out of pocket $3.48. Then Ibotta has a rebate for 50 cents back on 2, a limit of 1 time. And Kroger Cashback has a rebate of 50 cents back on 1, a limit of 5 times. Final cost is $1.98 total, or 99 cents each. Now, I did see some places that I forget who it was. Somebody posted that these were 49 cents for them because their Ibotta was 50 cents back on 1. So check your Ibotta. If that is the case, you're going to get an extra 50 cents back. It's going to make the price a little bit different there. So definitely check your Ibotta and see if you have a better deal. But either way, really great deal. And you'd only have to buy one of them if your Ibotta rebate is 50 cents back on 1. You wouldn't have to grab 2. Mine is for 2 on Ibotta. So in order to do the Ibotta, I have to use the 2, or I have to buy 2. Next deal. I'm really excited about this. So I'm actually, if you don't know or you're new to my channel, I'm PTA president at my kids' school. We are doing a mother-son dodgeball event tonight. I'm planning on having a kind of like a dessert bar with a fondue and everything. And I am going to pick up these cookies to go on the bars because 99 cents, you cannot beat it. So Oreo cookies, 110 birthday packs. They are that bright colored ones there. These are regularly priced $4.59. They are on sale this week for $2.99. Now, this may be kind of a closeout price. This is the cheapest of the Oreos that I've seen online. Because they are a specialty product, they may be just getting rid of them at this point. Out of pocket, pay $2.99, and then you're going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. Make sure you have Kroger Cashback loaded for $1 back on one. They're both a limit of 5 times. You can grab up to 5 of these for just 99 cents. Right? Like I said, I'm going to head to the store and I'm going to be grabbing 5 of these if I can find them, which my store does list that they have them, so I'm going to make sure I'm grabbing these for 99 cents each, and we're going to use these at our event tonight. I'm super excited. Okay guys, that's all I have for you on this updated deals video. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you share it with a friend. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel and all those good things. And of course, follow me on social media. I have everything linked in the description box below, so jump down there and check out everything you need. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you later. Bye guys!